Hi everyone! If you have been using your Linux laptop for a while, you might notice that the battery doesn't last as long as it used to. In this quick video, I am going to show you how to check your exact battery capacity using the terminal. First, go ahead and open your terminal. We are going to use a tool called UPower. You don't need to install anything. It comes pre-installed on Ubuntu and most other distributions. You need to find how the system identifies your battery. For that, you need to add the -e option. Hit enter. After getting this list of paths, copy the first one that says battery BAT0. This is your physical battery. Now, in order to get the information from this device, you need to run this command, upower-I, and paste that path. And as you can see, we get a lot of data. I'll zoom out a little bit so that we can see everything. First, look at the energy full design. In my case, it says 90 watt-hour, and this represents the capacity that my battery had when it was brand new. Next, look at energy full. It says 75.9 watt-hour, and it is smaller than energy full design. And this value represents the current capacity that the battery can hold right now. And finally, look at the capacity. In my case, it sits around 84%. This means that my battery has lost about 16% of its original life, and this value will keep decreasing over time. If this number goes below 60%, it might be time to look for a replacement. If it is above 80% or even 70%, you are still in a good shape. Before we end this video, I want to share with you some tips in order to increase the longevity of your battery. First, avoid extreme heat. Ensure that your laptop vents aren't blocked, especially if you are using it for gaming or doing intensive tasks. In that case, the laptop will overheat. So make sure that you have a laptop cooler, or at least don't block the vents. Don't leave the laptop plugged in at 100% forever. This stresses the battery. If your system supports it, try setting a charge threshold to stop charging at 80% or maybe 90%. This is what I have. So if I go back to the terminal, you can see that now my laptop is plugged in, but the battery will stay charged at 80%. It's not going to go over it. It's going to stay there. And finally, avoid deep discharges. Try to not let the battery hit 0% too often. So if it decreases, then try to recharge it as soon as possible. That's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you learned something from it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.